Hey guys, it's me, Ruby. For the fact, can I just acknowledge I'm literally in like a Justice robe and a Justin Bieber tour shirt and panda pajamas, and it's literally 2. So I'm just gonna take this shirt off because I'm literally really hot. So I need to get like double the. There we go. Okay. Hold on, let me get all the pillows in this living room and sit on them. Okay, that should be good enough. At least I'm comfortable. You know what? Screw that back. What I will be doing today is a slime collection, obviously. I only have 4 slimes. Well, I have more. Just can't find them. But I'll try to find them and make new ones and do an updated one. So let's just get into it. My first one I actually got today, and it's from, just read that. And you can follow on Instagram and get her slimes. So I have 2 of them from there. Let's first start off with this butter slime. And I'm going to take all of them out. I know some people don't like when people don't take them out because, like, I don't know, it just bothers them. I want to find something just to get this over with. Oh my god. I'm just going to use this. Okay, just trying to get this to scoop it out. This is really random. Let's screw it. Whee! This butter slime is really, it's a bit sticky though, but you know what? I don't really care. I tried to get most of it out, but you know. This is the butter slime. This is the Beauters. Jesus Christ, I cannot talk today. But this is the slime. And, sorry, I just got a text, I was reading it. But it's this buttery slime. And I really want to show you how buttery it is. Maybe I can, like, can you guys see that? It's so buttery. Like, this is probably the best butter slime in the world. And it's made how normally, like, Marble Magic and regular slime. But, yeah, that's how it's made. But, yeah, you can get this. I got this at my spring fair because the girl goes to my school. And, yeah. Next one is also from the same girl. I'll just put this up again so you guys can see it. Please go follow her on Instagram. She's really good at what she does. So, this is this glittery, I call it unicorn puke. I don't know why. This is what I imagine to be unicorn puke. Couldn't really see the camera. I'm going to try to take all of them out. Sometimes I might not want to. This one takes harder to get out, so let me just, you know what, I'm just going to take this one out, screw it. Just get parts of it and then get them. And maybe, it actually might be easier because it's more like, not buttery, so it's like not, yeah. So, you guys can't see this. But that slime it's a bit sticky like the other one, but you know, I don't really care. I like this one a lot. It's darker on camera though. Wait, is this darker on camera? Wait, no, that's about the same color.
5 o'clock. We'll grab guys' computers and let them watch. Yeah.
Okay, and then look at that. It looks like unicorn poo. Weird, right?
Where's the dessert? Is it in your car still?
Weird, right? Cause like, great.
Dessert, Ruby one.
Dessert?
The cakewalk.
What's that?
These be wing cupcakes or something? Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are they in your car?
Yeah.
They're gonna. Okay. I'll get them.
You're not having one.
Yes, I am. Yes.
One. Oh, sorry, guys. My annoying brother.
I'm getting them.
You're getting one. But that is this slime. I count them. Next one is, I just keep it in this container, but it's a blue color one. And it smells nice because I put this cream in it. But it's like it's white with a tint of blue. It's almost like a putty light because it's not like, it's a bit hard. You know what? No, screw it, it's not hard. It feels, the texture is like, not like your regular slime. I guess because I used wood glue, but then it feels like regular slime, but like, it's really confusing. But I really like this one. Very unique. It's very like runny. It's not runny, it's like, it goes really fast and stuff. But I really like this one. Oh, I forgot to poke this one. Wait, let me poke it on my table first. Now on my arm. That's that slime. And last but not least, I have this giant pink butter slime. I have 2 butter slimes and then 2 regular slimes. But this one is not hard, but I guess it's like firmer than the other one. But this one is definitely like thick butter, more big. Da 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 da. But I like this one because it smells gross. I'm just kidding. I like this one because it's like it feels really soft. My brother's worms for his lizards are in here. Gross. And the yeah, these. I can't really show the butteriness because like it's hard. So.
Hey, give them.
Yeah, no,
There's just one. There's just one. There's 2 here.
Can I have one?
Hey,
Can I have one?
they're not eating it in there.
I have a table. Sorry. But anyways, this was my slime collection. Thank you for watching. Make sure to go follow her and tell her that I sent you. And have a wonderful day. Peace out, haters.